Hello, hi everybody. It is day 45 of studying Martin every day, and today I'm about to do two sessions. So I will be doing 2 sessions, maybe more than that, but like I will see. So yeah, and there is something that I want to focus on today, and it is I think rational expressions and how to add fractions, or maybe like how to deal with fractions. That's what I want to do. Like, I think it is something that is kind of complicated for me, and the more the equation has like more fractions is the more that I'm struggling more. So yeah, I'm about to take a step on the fractions, okay, you know. So yeah, so the problem that I'm facing is not the actual rational expressions, but like it is kind of like fraction related, you know, not the cause like I cannot solve rational equation, but like it is all about I didn't understand well the, you know, fraction is in algebra. So I'm also like kind of do some type of you know, maybe you can call it review, maybe relearning, maybe reinforcing or something. Like that's what I want to do. So let's stop here and let's just start the timer.
In this lesson, we're going to focus on adding and subtracting fractions. Let's say if we have 3 divided by 5 plus 4 divided by 7. How can we add these two fractions?
I'm gonna find a common denominator for sure, or maybe the LCM. I got it, okay? And it will be 5 times 7, which is 7 times 5 times 7, which is 30, I guess 35. Okay, it's 35.
Well, here's a simple technique. First, multiply 5 and 7. This will give you a common denominator of 35. Next, multiply 3 and 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And also, there's a plus in between. Multiply 5 times 4, which is 20. 21 plus 20 is 41. So the answer is 41 divided by 35. Let's try another example. Let's say if we want to subtract 7 over 8 minus 2 over 9. Let's use the same technique. Let's multiply the two denominators, 8 and 9, which is 72. And then the next one is going to be 7 times 9, which is 63, minus 8 times 2, which is 16. Now let's subtract. What is 63 minus 16? This is going to be 47. Now 47 is not divisible by 2, nor is it divisible by 3. So this is it. That's the final answer. So now you know how to add or subtract two fractions. Now what if we wanted to add or subtract, let's say, 3 fractions instead of 2? What should we do in this case? So let's say we wish to combine 3 over 4 plus 5 over 3 minus 7 over 2. Whenever you wish to add or subtract fractions, the denominator has to be the same. The denominator is the bottom part of the fraction, and right now they're all different. So how can we make them the same? How can we get the common denominator? If you want to find the least common denominator, make a list. All of the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so forth. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so forth. And multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. What is the least common multiple? We're looking for a multiple that is common to all 3 numbers, but it's the lowest. The least common multiple is 12. 12 is common to 2, 3, and 4, and it's the lowest of such numbers. Now granted, 24 is also a common multiple, and if you use 24, you can get the right answer. You just gotta simplify at the end. So if you're ever unsure about how to find the least common denominator, you can find any common denominator. One simple technique is simply to multiply these three. 4 times 3.
I think there is a technique that I use the most, which is just like this. Just like this. I go 4, 3, and 2. Yeah, you're gonna, throw a line. You're gonna put all of the denominators right here. So it is 4, 3, and 2. So you need to divide all of them. So first I'm gonna divide all of them by 2. So this one will be 2. This one will be just 3, So 2, you cannot divide 2 by 3. So, and 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So we got 2 and 3 left. So still we're gonna divide it by 2, and it will be 1, and still we're gonna get the 3. So finally we're gonna divide 3 by 3, so it's gonna be 1. So I think this thing is a lot easier than what it is doing, because you have to calculate all of the what do they call by these numbers? I don't know. It's 2 times 1, and then 2 times 2, 2 times 3, all of that, and then the same 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, blah. Okay, writing all of that is just crazy, but I think this one's a lot simpler. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna multiply these two. So it is 4 times 3, which is 12. So yeah, so the LCM, or maybe the greatest common denominator, GC, greatest common factor, not factor, but yeah. By the way, I don't know what they call this too. So yeah, so basically the LCM, or maybe the common denominator, will be 12. That's how it will be common denominator. Yeah.
3 times 2 is 24, and you could use 24 and still get the right answer. So now that we know the least common denominator is 12, let's multiply each fraction in such a way to get 12. The first fraction, let's multiply the top and the bottom by 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. The second one,
hold on. 4.
let's use 4. And for the last one, let's use 6. So looking at the first one, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. Four times 5 is 20,
Okay.
4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 6 is 42, 2 times 6 is 12. Now that we have the same denominator, we can combine the numerators. 9 plus 20 is 29.
Minus 42. I
And
don't know.
29 minus 42
Minus what?
is negative 13. So this is the final answer. It's negative 13 divided by 12. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and try this example. 8 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 9 divided by 4.
Hold on, 5. Fifth. 4 and 3. Plus 9 and 4. So draw the line. 5, 3, and 4. Dude, this is just yeah, it's gonna be 5, 3, and 4 for sure. Feel me? So 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 4 is what? Okay, 30, 60. Okay, it's 60. But yeah, that's what I believe. We leave it alone. Divided by 5. Let me get a calculator. Okay, so 60 divided by 5, 12. 12 times 8 and 8. Is 60 divided by 3, 20 times 2, which is negative 40. Is divided by 4 times 9.
Listen,
Did I miscalculate anything? What up? Okay. 5 times 3. What up? 5 times 3 times 4, 60. Okay, I'm right on that. Okay. Okay, what up? Okay, so this is 96. Okay, this is 96. Three by 2, 40. Paste by 4 times 9, 135. So 96 plus 135 negative 40 191. Oh. 191 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6 divided by 7. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as it is.
So go ahead and add these three fractions. Multiple gives 16 times. that's positive and add those two numbers. 1 plus 3 focus on multiplying 2.
Okay, I got the exact same thing.
In this lesson, we're going to focus on multiplying two fractions. Whenever you need to multiply the numbers across the fractions. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. And 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And so this is it. The answer is 21 over 10. That's all you need to do when multiplying fractions. But sometimes, the numbers may not be that small. Let's say if we have large numbers. What should we do in this case? Now we can multiply across. We can multiply 24 and 45, which will give us a big number. But do we really want to do that? When multiplying fractions with large numbers, it's in your best interest to break down the large numbers into small numbers. For instance, 24.
This is just simple, I believe. It's just like, I think multiplication is a lot simpler than the addition and subtraction when it comes to the, fractions.
It is basically 6 times 4. 27 is 9 times 3. 45 is 9 times 5. And 30 is 6 times 5. You want to break it in such a way that you can cancel some numbers. Here we can cancel a 5 because we have one on top and the other on the bottom. The same is true for the 9. And we can cancel a 6. So therefore, the final answer is 4 over 3. So we were able to get the final answer without...
Can I just multiply and then simplify? Can I do that? Like 24. What was it? 24 divided by 27 divided by 27 times 45 and 30. 5 and 30. What is 2? Okay. I'm just gonna multiply. So 24 times 45. 1,000. Oh my gosh. 1,080. Okay. So what about 27 times 30? 800 or something. By 810 4 6 10 damn 20 30 40 what? Dude, yeah, for sure. I got this save of number and I'm trying to, to simplify it. I even divided this by 80. I swear to God, by 80. And still I had something like 13. So, and this number is getting bigger. I think what gives me 4, the number that gives me 4 when I, divide this. When I divide this number by that number, so the number that gives me 4 is just a number that's way too big. It could be 120 or maybe 180 or something. 180 divided by, 1080 divided by 180, something like that. It is not this number what gives me 4. What gives me 4, but yeah, it is that. But yeah, it's interesting to be honest. So what is the best way that you can simplify? Because you cannot divide these two, right? Oh yeah, okay, it is fair then. Using like this, what gives me this is 6 and 4. Okay, 7 and something, or 9 and 3 or something. Say like 9 and 3. Okay, 9 and 3. Okay, 9 and 5. And this is 6 and 5. So this is what he was doing. Just 4 and 3. Okay, makes sense.
Multiplying 24 by 45. That step was necessary. Plus, it's going to take some time and you need a calculator. Doing it this way requires no use of a calculator. Try this one. Multiply 56 divided by 77 by 35 over 40. Now 56 is 8.
What it is? 56, 77. 35 and 40. 35, 40. 5 times, is it like something that's related to 8? 8 times 7, I think it's 56. 8 times 7, I'm not sure though, let me check it. 8 times 7, 56, yes, I'm right. 7, 7, it gives me 7, 7. I don't know, it gives me 7, 7. 11 times 7, right? 11 times 7, okay. 11 times 7 and 7 and 5, you feel me? And what is this? Okay, 8 and 5. Okay, 8 times 5, 40. So this one, okay. This one and that one, this one and this one. So equals to 7 divided by 11. Seven year 11.
Let's use an over lesson. Now you know how to multiply two
Okay.
fractions.
What about the division?
In this lesson, we're going to focus on dividing two fractions.
The dividing is so damn good because like we just all you need to do is to multiply the first fraction. I mean you need to multiply the second fraction to the first fraction, but like it should be the reciprocal of the second fraction multiplied to the first fraction, something like this. If it would be like this, divided by this one, just like, or maybe do it this way. Okay, 2 and 1. If it is this way, you need to do this, the first fraction multiplied to the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is this, and then it is just like 1 and 4, something like that. So yeah,
Let's use 8 over 5 as an example, and let's divide it by 12 over 7. Now, perhaps you heard of the expression keep, change, flip. It's useful when dividing fractions. Keep the first fraction the same way, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And now you can do it. So 8 times 7 is 56, but we can, let's change. 8 times 5 is 20, 3 times
it's just like the same thing that I said. Okay, so with a variable,
Adding a fraction and a whole number is simple. The result has the denominator of the fraction, 4 in this case. To calculate the numerator, we multiply the denominator by the whole number, 4 times 3 equals 12, and then add the numerator to the result, 12 plus 1 equals 13. Let's see another example.
In this video, we simplify
Okay. Maybe I can try this by myself. 35. Negative 7x x square negative something negative 25. Then what I can do is this. So I can take out 7. So I got 5 right here. 5 negative x in the bottom. I can take about 10. Yeah. Yeah, man. So what I can do then? Like I cannot simplify fun. 25 negative 7x 25. Okay. 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 If not this, then okay. Then will it be this? Hold up. Will it be 35? Okay. Divide this by 5. So I got 7. Negative 7. X and X will cancel. So I got 1 X in the bottom. And I got what? Another 5 right here. Will it be something like that? I don't know. I'm just assuming that. I'm just like assuming it is that way. Because like I cannot even factor none of this. Okay, I cannot do that. I cannot do that for sure.
Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to factor the expression completely. And then
How can I factor it? Like at the top, maybe 7 will get out of here. But like what about in the bottom? It doesn't make sense to me.
and cancel anything that you could cancel. In the numerator, we can factor out a 7 because 35 and 7x are both divisible by 7. If we
Okay.
divide 35 by 7, we're going to get 5. And if we divide negative 7x by 7, we're going to get negative x. Now, x squared minus 25. What we have there is a difference of perfect squares.
Okay. Oh. Oh. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. But yeah, okay. So what you can do is this. I guess negative 5. I guess. And I guess positive 5. This is what you have. And at the top you had what? 7 got out. I guess negative 5. So this and this they will cancel. So at the top you got this. So it will be something like this. Feel me? Oh! I forgot it, man. My bad.
When you have the expression a squared minus b squared, you can factor it
I
as
had a
follows:
perfect square, that's what I
times a
forgot.
minus b. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 25 is 5. So it's going to be x plus 5 and x minus 5. Now, is there anything that we can cancel?
Yeah,
Right
x
now,
minus
it
5 and
doesn't
x minus
appear to
5.
be so, but notice what happens if we factor out a negative 1 from
Okay, I guess got the negative. Makes
5
sense.
minus x. If we take out a negative, the negative x becomes positive x, and the positive 5 becomes negative 5. So now at this point, we can cancel x minus 5. Doing so will give us our simplified answer, which is negative 7 over x plus 5. So that's how we could simplify this particular rational.
Okay. That makes sense.
Expression. Now let's move on to our next example.
Okay, I can do something. Okay, I'm just like gonna solve this one, and then I'm gonna look for something else. But like, let me solve this one first. So this is what I will do. Split screen. It's YouTube shit. So it is 4x negative 12 6x plus 30 times x squared plus 8x plus 15 squared 9. So now okay, what I will do is to factor out 4. I got x and negative 3 right here in the bottom. I can do the same. I can take out 6. So I got x plus 10. No. Okay, what gives me 30 though? Like 6 times 3 is what? 6 times 5? Is it that? Yeah, 6 times 5 gives me 30. Okay. Times x. Okay, so if I break down this, it will be what gives me 15 and add and 8 when add and multiply. Okay, what gives me? Okay, 2 numbers. Those gives me 18 and add up to 8 are what? are what? Okay, 5 and 3 for sure. And they both gonna be positive, right? So it is 5 and 3. That is x plus 5 and x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 x plus 3. So by the way, this and this will cancel, x and that one will cancel, and this one will cancel, so the result will be something like this: 4 and 6, if I'm not mistaken. So let me see.
In this case, x coefficient x cancel. We can reduce.
Yeah, I was right on that. This thing, okay, like rational fraction. Variables, that's what I'm looking for. Solving rational equations. This one is just the same, I believe. Okay, maybe this one.
In this video, we're going to focus on solve. What would you do in order to solve this equation? Feel free to pause the video and try this example.
It is what? So what 8 plus 8x. It is 8 plus 8 plus 8x equals to 6. Okay. What I'm going to do is this. Okay. I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by x. That's what I'm about to do. Nope, not this. Okay, so by the way, the common denominator is x. Yeah, so x divided by 1 is just like x. Next times 8 is 8x. So this is what we have. This is what we have. X. So x divided by 1 is x. X times 8 is 8x. X divided by x is just 1, and then 1 times 8 is 8. And then add up. They don't add up. Will this one and this one cancel? I don't know that, to be honest. I don't know that, to be honest, but I'm gonna leave it like this. So let me see.
Now, the first thing I would do is multiply both sides of the equation by something. And that is by
Like both sides of the equation?
this denominator.
Like all of them?
The reason why I'm going to do that is so I can clear away the fractions.
Okay. So whenever you see a variable in the denominator, you have to get rid of that. Is that what it is?
X times x is basically x squared.
What does he mean by, like, where this x came from? Is it there already? Oh, okay, what did I write? Did I write 8? It is x, man. So yeah, let me go back and do it. So yeah, x divided by 1 is just 1. X times x squared. And then x plus 8. That's what I believe. But like, I wouldn't say this, man. Because like this one is already outside and I'm adding these two numbers. It's just like something same as this. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, something like this. So if I add these two, I don't need to do like I'm not doing balancing, right? I'm not doing that. It's just like something which is normal, so I have to add these two. It is just like 3 equals to 3 as it is. So I don't know the reason that I have to do the exact same thing to this side too, because like on this side it is x plus 8x, and I don't know why I'm need to multiply this. If I need to get rid of this one, yes, for sure I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by x, and that's fine. But like in this case, okay, maybe this. How can I get rid of that? Okay. So can you divide this? Nope. You cannot do it.
Feel free to pause the video and try this example.
I tried it, man, and I failed it.
Now the first thing I
I
would
failed.
do is multiply both sides of the equation by something. And that is by...
Also, somebody was saying shit about my, like, you know, pronunciation. I mean the way I pronounce filed, how to pronounce it. Not filled. Nah, how should I spell filed? Isn't it this way? Okay.
Failed.
Failed. Yeah, failed.
Failed. Failed.
Failed. Wow.
We are looking at how to pronounce this word correctly. It is spelled as F-A-I-L-U-R-E.
I'm not into the UK thing. Failed. Failure.
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 Failure. Fail.
Fail. Fail.
Failed. Failed.
Fail.
Failed. 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 Filed. That's what I said. It is failed. Failed. Okay. Failed. I will keep saying that. Failed. Pronunciation. Okay.
this denominator. The reason why I'm going to do that is so I can clear away the fractions. X times x is basically x squared. Now if I multiply 8 over x times x, the x variables will cancel. And so I'm just going to get 8. Next, x times 6 is basically 6x. So now what you want to do at this point, you want to subtract both sides by 6x. Well, basically just take this term and move it to the left side, since we now have a quadratic equation. It's positive 6x on the right side, but on the left side, it's going to be negative 6x. And let's put it in standard form. So now what would you do in order to solve for x?
It's 4 or 6, but like it is x minus 4 and x minus 6.
At this point, whenever you have a quadratic function like this, you can either factor it or use the quadratic equation to solve for x. Let's factor the expression. What two numbers multiply to 8 but add to the middle coefficient negative 6? Well, we know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8, but 4 plus 2 is positive 6. However, if we add two negative signs, -4 times -2 is still +8, but it adds to -6. So to factor, it's going to be x minus 4 times x minus 2. Now, what you need to do next is to set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So in the first equation, if we add 4 to both sides, we can see that x is equal to 4. And in the second one, if we add 2 to both sides, x is equal to 2. So now let's check these answers to make sure that they both work, because sometimes you may have extraneous solutions. So the original equation is x plus 8 over x is equal to 6. And we have two answers, 2 and 4. Let's try 2. So 2 plus 8 divided by 2, is that equal to 6? 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So that works. Now what if we plug in 4? 4 plus 8 over 4, does that equal to 6? 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, and so this works as well. So x is indeed equal to 2 or 4. Now let's work on another example. Let's try this one. Let's say that 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 11.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 1. That's what I'm gonna do. So 3x plus 4, I guess negative 1. Equals to 11. So this is 3x squared. And okay, minus 3x. That's what I think. Okay, so and then positive 4x and negative 4 equals to 11x and negative 11. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, okay. So 3x squared will be there, minus 3x plus 4x. This is just plus x, negative 4 equals to 11x, negative 11. So 3x squared, this one gonna come to the left side. So it is negative 10x. So negative 11x plus x, it is negative 10x. Negative 4 equals to negative 11. So if this one comes to the left side also, we're gonna put this in standard form. So it is 10x. Okay, so positive 11x. Okay. Positive 11, negative 4. So what's 7? Okay. Positive 7 equals to 0. So it is in a standard form. So 21. Okay, 21. And then what gives me 21? That is what? 7 and 3 times 3 equals to 21. So this is x x negative 7 x negative 3 equals to 0. It's gonna be like this. Because there's something that I'm missing also.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, when we're looking at this, when we're looking at a problem like this, basically, again, what we want to be able to do is the same exact thing. You know, I'm not going to do a box, but the same idea is going to apply. We still need to figure out, we want to be able to rewrite our middle term as two separate values. And rather than filling them in a box, we're going to factor by grouping, which we actually talked about before in this class. But either way, the first thing we need to do is do
The thing that I'm looking for now is how I'm gonna use like factoring by grouping after I use the AC method. I think when you use the AC method, you need to use factoring by grouping next.
A times C. A times C. 9 times 5, negative 5 is negative 45. And then the add to give us negative 12. Now, I get a lot of students that get stuck and they say, Mr. McGuire, I don't know, what to do, next. The most important thing that I would say, guys, even if you get stuck, all right, even if you can't figure it out on your test, write down all of the factors of 45. All right, and this isn't that difficult. The way that I want you to do it is obviously you can always start with 45 times 1. Then just start working with numbers. Go from 1, now let's say 2. Is 2 divisible into 45? No, it's not, right? So then we go to 3. Is 3 divisible into 45? Yes. So you could say 3 times 15. Then work your way up. What about 4? Is 4 divisible into 45? No. Go to 5. Is 5 divisible into 45? Yes. And then we go up to 6. Is 6 divisible into 45? No. 7? Nope. 8? Nope. And then I get back up to 9.
So even if you what it is called, the two number is going to be 15 and 3, cause like positive 15 and negative 3 will give you negative 15 and positive 3 will give you negative 12.
Which I already know is divisible, so therefore I'm all done. So these are the only factors. Now we are multiplying to give us negative 45. So just listen to my thought process. It has to multiply to give you negative 45 and add to give you negative. If you're adding a positive and a negative number and your answer is negative, should the negative or the positive number be larger in absolute value? The negative number should be larger. Think about it. Negative 5 plus 3. In absolute value, which one is larger? The 5 or the 3?
5.
5, right? So a larger negative 5, absolute value of it, plus 3 is going to equal negative 2, right? It's going to give you a negative number. So therefore, since I'm adding these two factors and the sum is negative, then my larger factor has to be negative. And now when I look at this, actually, which of these add up to give me negative 12? Negative 15 and positive 3. Now I'm going to do just like what I did last time, but I'm not going to fill it into a box. I'm going to say 9x squared, and then I'm going to say minus 15x plus 3x minus 5 equals 0.
This is what I was forgetting. Yes, I got it now. Instead of like writing this way, yeah, you're not gonna do it this way. This is how you're gonna do it. The way you're gonna do it is this. You're gonna say 3x sorry. Okay, the way you're gonna do is 3x squared negative 7x negative 3x positive 7 equals to 0. And then this part you're gonna get rid of you're gonna get rid of 3x and then you have x right here and negative 1 right here. This one and this one you're gonna get rid of negative maybe 7 positive 7 and you're gonna have let's get rid of negative 7 for sure. Okay, negative 7 and we got x. I'm talking about these two terms, you feel me? This one and this one. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So it should be like negative 7 and x. Okay, x. Okay, so x and plus 1. Mm-hmm. Okay, so it was plus at the beginning, so it should be negative now. You feel me? That's how it is. So at the end, what you're going to say is this: 3x negative 7 and x negative 1. That's what you're gonna do. And what you can do is this, maybe even 3x negative 7 equals to 0. Yeah, and then 3x equals to positive 7 and 3. This is how it is. And x equals to 7 and 3. And on the other side, x negative 1 equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Positive 1, by the way.
Does everybody see what I did? I just rewrote the equation. That's all I did. I didn't change it or do anything else with it. I didn't put it in a box. I just rewrote it. But I mean, I showed you guys how to rewrite this last time. And now what we can do is a factoring technique, which we call grouping, where you group the first two terms and you group the last two terms. And basically what we have already done in this class is we talked about grouping, but we also talked about factoring out the GCF. Now, all you're simply going to do is factor the GCF out of each of these expressions. So we look at the first two and say, what do these have in common? What is my common factor? You could say a 3x. And when you factor out a 3x, you're left with 3x minus 5. Then I look over here and I say, is there anything I can factor out of these? No, so therefore I can factor out a positive 1. You're always going to have to factor out something. And if they don't have anything in common, then factor out a positive or a negative 1. Okay, Tyler? And then therefore we're left with 3x minus 5. Now, what you guys can see is that the 3x minus 5 is common between both of these terms, or both of these expressions. Right? You guys see I have two expressions that are separated by addition. And therefore, now you factor those out. You factor out what they have in common, which is, I don't want to write this like that. So therefore, that's 3x minus 5 times 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now you can apply the zero product property.
Yeah, okay. Good. So I'm gonna take the break, the 10 minutes of 10 minutes of break, and I'll be back. Dude, my mic is so damn good. I swear to God, it is blocking the music. Listen, you guys cannot hear it. Yeah, you guys cannot hear it like at all. It is when the mic is so good, and I'm using a lot of filters to be honest. Like voice filters. I'm utilizing my Nvidia GPU. I go 50, 60. It's not that good, but yeah. So now, yeah.
Go ahead and solve for the variable x.
No, it's just like completely different one. Yeah, this one. What? Did I do anything wrong? It was what? 3x plus 14 plus 4, yeah. 3x. Okay. 4x. Negative 4 equals to 11x, dude. What did he just do? Oh, okay. Why do I always miss like stuffs like this, man? This and this will cancel. So it is just 4. Feel me? So yeah, okay, I accept that. But why do I that? My question is, why do I forget stuffs like that? Like why? Like how my brain actually functions? I don't know. Why I'm forgetting this type of like mathematical details, dude. I'm just like cooked, man. Badass, man. I'm cooked. I'm cooked anyway. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one for sure, man.
Negative 9x is 45.
So should I do this one? They're still doing. That's the same one. So yeah, forget it. He's checking. So yeah.
Like this.
I'm about to solve
Now, what
this
if
then.
there are 2 fractions as opposed to 1? Like this example.
It's just like
What
you're
should
gonna
you do?
yeah. X plus 2 and X minus 3, they're both gonna be the denominator, the common denominator basically. So when you multiply and like that on this side, X plus 2 and X plus 2 will cancel. So X minus 3 will be multiplied to the 18, and this one is the same. X minus 3 will cancel. X plus 2 will be multiplied to the 1.
We have 2 different denominators.
So okay.
In a situation like this, what you want to do is you want to multiply both sides by the common denominator. That is by x plus 2
and X minus 3.
and by x
So
minus 3.
I kind of know this, but like all I was looking for, how am I gonna approach something like this? Let's make equation like 1 4x plus the same, maybe 2x. Is this, I guess, okay, partial fraction? What was that thing? Yeah, improper fraction, I guess. I don't know. I think it was proper. I don't know how to write proper. Improper fraction with a variable. Yeah, this one maybe.
You will learn how to solve
Yeah, that
linear
one.
equations with fractions. Fractions can seem a little intimidating, but solving them only takes 2 simple steps. Step 1 is to eliminate the fractions. To do that, first find the least common multiple of all the denominators in the equation. Then multiply every term in the equation by that least common multiple. This transforms the equation into a fraction-free version, making it much easier to work with. Step 2 is to solve the simplified equation using strategies you already know, like the distributive property, combining like terms, and doing the opposite operation to isolate the variable. Alright, let's go through each example step by step. We start by eliminating the fractions. To do that, we first need to find the least common multiple of the denominators. What is the smallest number that 4, 3, and 6 all go into? If you can't figure it out in your head, no worries, just list a few multiples to help. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 6 are
6, 12, 18. They both have what? Yes, they all have 12.
6, 12, 18. You can see that 12 is the smallest number they all share, right? So 12 is our LCM. Now
Let's go
multiply
on
every
multiple.
term in the equation by 12 to clear out those fractions. Let's simplify each term. 12 divided by 4 is 3,
Okay, 3.
and 3 times
It's 9.
3x is 9x. 12 divided by 3 is 4,
Okay, so that is gonna go with the numerator always when it is right there. So I think that, this assumption, we're gonna say it is already, I think, 4. Okay, so 4 is 4 is 2, 4, while 2 is 2. So okay, not this. This one is like it is 4, 8, 12. This one is 4, 2, 4. So that means it will be 4. So I'm gonna multiply, like I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna multiply then. Multiply. So that means it will cancel. So it is just x plus 4 2, which is 2x. Okay, 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 2 times 1 is 2x. That is what it is, basically. So yeah.
and 4 times 2 is 8. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10. All right, now that we have cleared the fractions, it is time for step 2, solving this simplified equation. First, isolate the variable term by adding 8 to both sides. On the left, negative.
So I think it's that time now. it's that time of, you know, solving this thing. So I don't know, but like I will lasso this whole thing. I'm gonna lasso, and then, you know, get rid of them. So okay, I did this one. Like I didn't do this one. So I'm about to lasso first. Okay, let me get this one first also. And I'm gonna take them. Put it right here. Brian again. Let me say that. I'm gonna change the color. How can I change the color? Can I? I don't think so. We make them italic. So they're gonna treat this like a what is called? What is called? In a markdown. Okay, and then I'm gonna lasso this equation. I'm gonna lasso the whole thing. Okay. So now I'm about to try to solve this one. So have to be careful, man. So y equals to negative. Nah. This one goes to the left side. It is y equals to positive 2x. So x negative 2 plus 2x negative 1 2 equals to 9. So x negative 2 x negative 2 2x negative 1 2x negative 1 equals to 9. So x times x squared, x times 2x negative 2x negative 2x times x negative 2x 2 minus 2 times minus 2 positive 4, and then 2x times 2x plus 4x squared 4x squared 2x times 1 negative 2x. Okay, and then negative 2x 1 negative 1 times positive 2x negative 2x negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 equals to 9. We're gonna add like terms now. So this one and that one is 5x squared. Okay, so wait up. Yeah, it is that. Negative 2x and negative 2x negative 4x 4 and okay So 4 and 1 plus 5. Okay. So negative 2x and negative 2x, negative 4x again. And after that is everything's done, I believe. So one more time. That's with x, 2x, 2x, minus 4x, minus 6x, minus 8x, and 4 plus 1, here is 5. Okay. So where it is now? So it is 5x squared, negative 8x, positive 5, equals to 9. So we're gonna write the whole thing in standard form. So it is 5x squared, negative 8x. This one to the left side, it will be 5 negative 9 equals to what? Negative 4. If I'm not mistaken. Negative 4 equals to 0. So 5 times 4 is negative 20. What gives me 20? Negative 20 then? Two numbers. Those will multiply. Okay, two numbers. Nope. Okay. So what gives me negative 8 when add, and gives me negative 20 when multiply? What are these two numbers? Okay. Gives me negative 20 though at the first place. It is 5 and 4. What else? Okay. What else? Okay, what about 12 and 4? 12 and 4? Nope. Okay. What about 6 and 6 times? Yeah, okay, well, it is just like 5 and this one, and they both give me that. So yeah. The most important thing, I forgot that. So it is 10 times 2. That's what I forgot. So by the way, it is 5x squared. Okay. Negative 10. Negative 10x. Positive 2x, negative 4 equals to 0. So this is, I'm gonna do factoring by grouping. That's what I will do. So this is 2x, I mean, is it like, nope, 5x. 5x, so I will get x right here and negative 2 right here. So on the other side, I'm gonna get rid of 2, so I will get x negative 2 is to 0. So now it is 5x plus 2 and x negative 2. So 5x equals to negative 2. So x equals to negative 2 divided by 5. And also x equals to positive 2. So that means x equals to positive 2. So this is the two values that we have for x. Okay, so let's plug in this first. we're gonna plug into 2. So it is okay. Use this to get the y. Nope. So let me check it then. So what about 2 times 2? It is 4. 2 times negative 2. It's negative 4. Negative 4. Positive 4. Okay. Positive 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is negative 4. Okay. Also negative 4, positive 1 equals to 9. So add all of this. Okay, positive 4 to this one. It is 0, 0, 16, 8. Okay, where up? Dude, they're gonna cancel. This is negative 8. So negative 8 divided by 16. Okay, 16. Negative 8 is okay, 16 and 8. I think it's go on from here. 16, 8. Damn, can I do it? Gonna be 24. Okay, it is 8, man. So it's positive 8 and positive 8 plus 1, it is 9. I'm right on this, man. So it is going to be 16. So 16. 16. Negative 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So this is 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So 9 equals to 9. Okay. So what about the second value? There's another value for it. Yeah, the fraction, you know. Keep that in mind. So let's do the same for this one. So y negative 2, it is negative 2 divided by 5 equals to 0. Y negative 2 and negative that one. Could be positive, man. Okay, so positive 4 divided by 5 equals to 0. So I'm gonna move this to the left side, so y equals to 4 and 5 also. This is what I'm about to do, man. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so let's plug in these two values, and this is when it is 2, y is 4. Okay, this one is when it is negative 2 divided by 5, it is 4 divided by 5. Okay. So I'm gonna check this, okay? And it's gonna be crazy, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna lasso. I'm checking if these two values are right, okay? And I'm doing it cause like this gonna be a little bit complicated, cause like there will be a lot of fractions involved, right? And there's another one. I'm gonna get confused maybe, because like there will be a lot of terms. So let me just see how long that I can go. So negative 2, 5, negative 2, negative 2 and 5, negative 2, positive 4, 5, negative 1, 4 and 5, negative 1 again, equals to 9. So okay, this one will be what? Okay, this will be I'm gonna see negative 2, negative 2, 4, positive 4, 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25, okay. So negative 2 and negative 2. Still it is negative 4. Positive 4 I mean. And 5. Okay. So this will be the same, positive 4 and negative 5. This one will be positive 4 and 1. Okay, so this is this part. What about the second part? Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 and 5 times 5, which is 25. 4 times 1 is negative 4 and divided by 5. So this one is also the same, negative 4 and 5 and positive 1. Okay, so now I need to add all of this, maybe, I don't know. Maybe look for a... What do I need? I don't know, to be honest. Do I need to look for a... What it is called? Can you just come on like LCM, all of them? So they all are 25 and 5. So 25 and 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This one is just 5. So the least common denominator will be just 5. Okay. So I'm gonna put this line right here. Oh, sorry. I want it to be straight as I can. Okay, so it is 5. So 5 divided by 5, it is divided by 25 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So 5 plus 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, what about the other side? Same. 5 it is going to be plus 5 times 16. I don't know what it is. 5 times 16. Did I just okay? 80. Damn. Okay, 1 is negative 4, negative 4, 5, positive 5 equals to 9. So, okay, 24, okay, 20 plus 4 plus 4 plus 20 plus 80 negative 4, negative 4, positive 5, 125, 125, 125 divided by 5 equals to 9, 125 divided by 5 is 25. Damn. It didn't give me what I was looking for. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, right up. Okay, this should be negative. Also, this should be negative also. Like negative. And negative. Because like it is already positive, it goes to the other side, it's gonna be negative. So yeah. So this is literally negative. It will be positive, I think. It's like they both are negative. But 4 times 1, this one will be positive, and then this one will be also positive, this one will be also positive. Damn. Okay, so positive, so there's no negative now. It's 20 plus 4 plus 4 plus 20 plus 80 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5, 141. Okay, 24, 4, 20, 80, 4, 4, 5, 141, 141 divided by 5 divided by 5. This is crazy a little bit, I think. Okay, right up 25. So this will be 25. Is that what it is? What if? No way. This is crazy. What is the LCM for this? Because like they all are 25 and 5. Feel me? So the least common multiple that they share is 5 in this way. But like if I do the other way, throw in the line, and it is 5 and 25, divide 5 on this side, and divide this part, I'm gonna get 5. So again 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so so 25 and 25 1. So it is just 4. 25 and 5. It is 5. So 5 times 4 plus 20. Okay, plus 20. Gonna be the same, maybe 25 times 4. Damn, 25 times 4. 100 plus 100. 25, okay, plus 16. Fine, chill. 25. 5 times 4. Like 20, okay. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 20 plus 25, I believe. Because like 25 divided by 1 is 25 plus 25. Yeah, equals to 9. So now this will be just the same, I believe. So 4 plus 20 plus 20 plus 100 plus 16 plus 20 plus 20 plus 25 divided by 25. Divided by 25. Okay. This one is 9 equals to 9. Okay. So both values are absolutely correct. Feel me? I can move on, I believe. It took me some time. So yes. So what up? So let me try another problem. Maybe this one. Although this one is same as one that I know, this is the one that I already filed yesterday, so I'm gonna do this one. Hello, America. Michelle Obama is I'm not gonna say it. Oh, it is. Okay, I can lasso this. Look, I already filed it. I already filed. Failed. I already failed on this problem. I already failed on this problem. Am I pronouncing it right? Failed. Okay. So this is problem number 4. Dun. Okay. So y is already solved. So we're gonna do this: x square negative y square equals to 4. Okay, so x square. Okay, there's a lot of flies in the room. What? What up? Oh my gosh. Okay, so negative 1/2 x positive 1 and another 1/2 x positive 1. So this is 1 times 1. It's just 1. 2 times 2 is 4 x square, I believe, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 times 1 is just 2. Not yet. Okay, so 1 times 1 is just like plus 1. Don't forget the... Do I need like... Yeah, it should be x. And also 1 times 1. Then 2 times 1 with the x. And 1 times 1, which is plus 1. Equals to 4. So x squared. So it is 4 and 2. So it is 2. So it is 4. Okay. So the denominator is 4. Negative. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is 4. Is 1, I mean. So this is just x squared. X squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2x plus another 2x. 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, I'm calculating, in the brain. And it is not good. It is always, it is always better to write what you're doing. So now, this is negative x Hey, will this be like, wait up. Yes, it is going to be negative x squared, negative 2x, negative 2x, negative 4. That's what it is. Okay, I'm not sure, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do it that way. So, negative x squared. They're gonna cancel? That's crazy. Okay. So, negative 2x, negative 2x, negative 4 equals to 4. So these two guys, they already cancelled. So negative 4x and okay equals to this one. If it goes to the other side, it will be, feel me? Let me write it, dude. I don't want to skip that step. It's kind of important. So yeah. Okay. So 4. So negative 4x equals to it's gonna be plus negative 4 x equals to negative 2. Am I mistaken? How to say it like that? Okay, store. Okay, so this is what I have now, negative 2. So okay, negative 2. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna get the y. So y equals to 1/2 x plus 1. So y equals to 1/2 2 negative 2 plus 1. Y equals to 1 times is negative 2 plus 1. Y equals to negative 2, negative 1 I mean, plus 1. Isn't it crazy? Damn, it is crazy, yeah. Y equals to 0? That's crazy, man. But like, okay, and let me see. I'm gonna plug it in right here. So x is negative 2, y is 0, is to 4. So this one is positive 4 plus 0 times 0 is just 0. It's 4. So now 4 equals to 4. So I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Gonna do one more. I'm about to do one more. Solve the system of equations. This is this the what it's called? Is this the second equation? Damn. I'm gonna take 10 minutes off a break. Break. Yo, I'm back. I'm back. So let's do a third session. A third one. So I'm gonna try this one. I will try this one. Okay, I'm gonna do this one because like this one is y is already solved. I'm not choosing because like y is already solved. I'm not choosing it for that reason. But like this, I'm choosing it just like this fraction, man. I wanna beat the fractionists. Okay, I wanna beat them. I wanna beat their asses. I swear to God. Okay, they made me disappointed a lot of times. So I gotta fight with them. Okay, I gotta fight with the fractions. Just to be honest. That's why I'm choosing this problem. I'm gonna beat their ass. So, problem number 5. And also I'm gonna put all of this in my GitHub, I guess. Oh. So let's see. So it is y equals to 1/2 x. Y equals to negative 1/2 x negative 3. Okay. Then x minus 3 and y plus 3. Okay, at the bottom, x negative 3 square and y positive 3 square equals to something, equals to 1, equals to 1, negative right there, divided by 9, divided by 9. Okay, 4. This one is 4. Okay, they both are 9. They both 9. Guess what? Guess what? Electricity just left out. And it puts like, I think it caused my computer to some issues. I swear to God, it was like I was trying to restart the computer and it was saying like some stuff is blah blah couldn't be diagnosed. I didn't know that. So they gave me some options and they were saying turn off your PC, and I did it and I just restarted it again and it was fine. But like, yeah, the day they mess up my PC, oh my gosh, I'm gonna rob the entire fucking company, man. That's what I'm gonna do, man. That's what I do, man. That's what I do. Okay, so let's start from 45 minutes. That's where we were in. Day 45. And this one is, we were 3 out of 3, I guess. Oh, okay. We got the craziest, or it's called craziest electricity shortages, maybe. And the quality is dead. The quality is dead. People don't want to talk about it. I don't know why. Because like there are some retards who doesn't even use computers. You know? I hate them. I hate them. Yeah, play the music, man. Restart it, maybe. Okay. Turn the volume down. Ah, okay, have to restart all the thing. Damn. Okay, -1/2, -3. And then it was x -3 square divided by 9, I guess. Negative x, nah, y +3. Dude, my memory is so damn good, maybe, I don't know. But like, I'm not talking about my long-term memory, I'm talking about short-term memory. I swear to God, my long-term memory is just dead, but somehow. It is x +3. My RAM is good, it is, you know, I'm talking about my brain is RAM. This is so damn good. But like I'm using, I think HDD, hard disk drive, that's what I'm using. And that's why my long-term memory is S. So this was 1, if I'm not mistaken. So let me check it now. Okay, I guess -3, y +3, 9, 9, and 1. So all I forgot is this 9. So now we're gonna do this. So it is so okay. So it is x -3, x -3 divided by 9 negative y +3. Mamo! Yahoyo! I forgot something, I believe. I have to substitute the value of y right here. So y is what? What? There is x right here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yes, there is. So x square, negative 3x, and negative 3x, positive 9, negative, okay, so positive 1 and 4 and x square. So if I'm positive 3 and 2x, this is the same, positive 3 and 2x. Okay, positive 9 plus 2 1. So for somehow, like I'm gonna say for somehow, all of this will turn into negative. Oh no, don't even do that. Don't do that. Just like cut that part. Okay, and this one needs to just be negative. Feel me? Divided by 9, because like they both have the exact same denominator. So now, okay, now. So now, what the heck's that? What the heck's that? Isn't it x squared? What is x cubic? What is x cubic, man? Hell no. It's x squared. Okay, so x squared on 1x squared. Okay. Damn. Do I need to get rid of like all of the Dude, let me simplify this this way. Let me nope. Let me take this part. Gonna put them right here, and what I will do is just like to get rid of the denominators. So 4 and 2. Okay, it will be 4, man. So 4 divided by that one is 4 1. So x squared 4 divided by 2 is what? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 6x, and then plus 6x also, and then 4. Okay, plus 4 times 9 is what? 4 times 9, 36. Okay. What I'm gonna do with this 9, with this 4, that's the question. Hmm. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna approach this, to be honest. I didn't even start the timer and I'm already in 10 minutes. Damn. Forget that, my bad. Like, I don't know. Yes, this is the thing that I don't know. So should I use the actual rule that was like this? Then should I just like multiply the reciprocal 199? Should I do this? That's what I'm thinking about. You know? Just 6 seconds. I'm gonna leave it like that. From now on. For now, I mean. Dude, I'm scared of it. Should I do that? Should I just like multiply the 9 to that? To get rid of the, you know, denominators? Yeah, that's what it is, man. I'm about to do that, man. Gonna multiply the whole thing to the reciprocal of 9 and 1. That's what I will do. So wait up. They're both separated. Right. What does that separation mean? Okay.
Again, ladies and
You will learn how to solve linear equations with fractions.
I need a win with a, you know, with another, like another denominator. This is just fine, not that bad. But yeah, yo. So now I cannot see that table.
We'll start by eliminating.
Yeah, man. These are simple. I'm saying it. These are literally simple, man. What am I gonna do with this? Like this rational equation divided by another, you know? another fraction. Hell nah. Should I do that? Like, okay, that's the only way that I can do, man. I'm gonna take the decision, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, man. It's x squared negative 6x positive 9 negative don't I don't even need that. You feel me? Don't even need that. So now it is I cannot factor out. So it is 1. It is negative 1 4x squared negative 3 divided by 2x negative 3 divided by 2x negative 9 equals to 1. So now it is x squared divided by 9 negative 6x divided by 9 plus 9 divided by 9, which is 1. Okay, negative 1 divided by 9 times 4. Let me try to do it in my brain. Is it like 36? 9 times 4, 36. 36x 1 times 3 is negative 3. 9 times 2 is 18. X 1, that one is negative 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. So now there was another one. I'm forgetting something. Yeah, this one, dude, it is squared. It is squared. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to these are the like terms. Like, let me just do this as square. Negative 9 negative 1 divided by 36 as square. Negative 6x divided by 9. Okay. Negative 3x yeah, I need 2 to the axis. 3 divided by 2x. I forgot one right here, I believe. So that one and that one, there 2. There also 3x divided by. Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. It is 18 and 18. Dude, the way I write 18 is terrible. Oh my gosh, I'm literally struggling with the 8. Okay, so it is negative, positive 9 and 9, negative 9 and 9 equals to 1. So now, so these two, where's the LCM of 36 and 9? So 9 and 36 So 9. Okay, it will be 4, I believe. 4. I down for 30. So okay, the LCM will be 36. So multiply this by 36. This side. Okay. Square negative 136. When I get rid of the 36, to be honest. $36 divided by 9. Okay, so 36 divided by 9. 4. 4 times, okay, x square is 4 times x square. 36 is negative x square. Okay, what about these guys, these 3 guys? Okay, what is 9 and 16? 9 and 18, I mean. 9, 2 is just 18. So this one is 18 too. So 2 times 6. Okay, I'm gonna divide 18 by 9. So it's 2. 2 times 6 is negative 12x. Okay, 18 and divided by 18 is plus 18. It's just 1 and times 3 is 3x, and then 18 and 18 is just 3x again. Okay, these guys, they already got their thing. It is positive 1 and negative 1 equals to 1. So add these two, it is 3x squared. Negative and negative and negative. Okay, these are 6, right? 12 and 6, which is 18. Negative 18x 10x equals to 1. So bring the 1 inside. I think this is 0 and this one inside will be negative 1 equals to 0. So now 3 times 1 is 3. It gives me 3, 3 and 1. This is funny. Okay. Can I let the like 1 stay outside? It's like as normal. Just like 18x is to 1. So what I can do is, this looks like a perfect square, I guess. I'm not sure though. Is it like 3x times 9, negative 9, 3x positive 9. Is it like 3x positive 9, 3x negative 9? It's gonna be like, yeah, this is going to be 9x square, so it's not a perfect square at all. At all. So yeah, I'm messing something up maybe. Okay. Yeah, I already saw it. I did somewhere. I made a terrible mistake in somewhere. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. Terrible mistake, like terrible. Like just believe in me, man. I did a terrible mistake, man. Like a terrible one. And I know it. I know it. Just like lasso, start. Let's move this to this side. Erase this. Okay, -3 plus 3. This is what it is. Okay. This other part is also the same. Forgetting the +3. So now okay, lasso this also. I don't think so I need it. And lasso this also, I don't need it. Okay. So now I got, I guess, -3. I guess -3 and negative. They're gonna cancel, man. They're gonna cancel. So it is just and also -1 to x equals to 1. This is what it is, right? So now this is just x squared -3x -3 3x, and then +9. But on this side, this one times that one, it's just the same. For negative square, negative and negative, it will be plus. So this is what I have. The 9 and the 9, they should be just like, you know, same. So now okay, so 1 time is 1. If I try to add this, if I try to add x plus 1x squared, or it will be 4 for sure. So just multiply both sides by 4. So it will be just 4x squared and plus x squared. That's why it is 5x squared. In my opinion though, okay? So -6x +9 equals to 1. So okay, it's still good than 9. I don't know why that 9 is just there. So now we're gonna get rid of it like that, as man. We got tired of this 9 is s. So let's multiply the whole thing by 9, man. Restart time, man. Restart time. Restart time. So it is 40. It is 45x squared negative 9 times 6, which is 54. 54, I guess 9 times 9, which is 81. Yeah, we're gonna multiply it, so that's how. Raised to 1. So, can I simplify this? Okay, tan 9 is still there, I believe. So I can all do this. Okay, so without doing all of that, I guess that and I will cancel, dude. Oh god. And all I need is this. Vegas 4 negative 6x plus 9 raised to 1. So what is this? I don't know where I get that for, but like it is 2. It is 2, man. So 5 times 9 is 45. Gives me 45. Gives me 45. Okay, wait up. Not that. Okay, 5x squared. X squared. Negative 6x positive 8 equals to 0. 5 times 8, which is 40. What gives me 40 then? Okay, 4 and 10 for sure. Okay, 4 and 10. Here is that. 5x squared negative 10x positive 4x plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so let's get rid of 5x and x negative x negative 2, and then let's get rid of 4. So 4, so it is x negative positive right up. Okay. How many minutes am I in? Oh my gosh, a lot of. It is so close to an hour already. This well, positive 40, not negative 40, right? So yeah, I think I'm about to look for another two numbers, maybe. Nice. Okay, I'm in a trouble, man. I'm literally in a trouble. I don't think so. I can't find it. This is positive and that's positive. Stamina is the both are positive, so I'm not gonna get like this will be literally positive. That's what it will be. So yeah. I don't kinda know what I'm doing wrong, so I'm gonna cheat, man. I'm just like gonna pull up. Problem number 9. Okay. Okay, I did all of this right. Till here. I did right. Is this 9? How is it 9? It's like they already get rid of this. What did they do though? Like, did they multiply 9 on both sides? And then that means they cancelled and this one became 9. Is this how it became 9? Okay. And this is... They did foil. It is... Okay. That way. So what about this? Okay. Okay. So this should be also 9. We got 9. And let me come back one more time to right here. 1 4 x squared plus x squared 1. And then it is 4. Sorry. So 4. And then it is just x squared. So 4. And okay, is it negative though? The one that they have. This one. No, it's not. Okay. So 4 1 plus 4x squared, and then isn't it 5x? 5x squared divided by 4. Isn't it like that? Okay, there is negative right here. Okay, they're gonna be positive already, and this one gonna make it negative. That man is gonna make it negative, and they were already positive. So yeah, it makes sense. 3x. That's okay. It's not that bad, man. I did close. Not that bad. So, and tonight I'm about to do one more problem of this maybe. No, I'm saying tonight I'm not doing it. Okay, and I'm not doing it. I will see. But by the way, I want to do one problem that has also the, what it's called, you know, a denominator and also a fraction. I'm gonna do a problem like this one. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and right now I'm gonna call it a day right here, man. It was just like beautiful day, and I gotta fight with the fractions. So yeah, we will see who will win. So see you all. It is day 45.